Before I show you the box, I'll give you a quick little hint. Any guesses? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while since I actually posted a video, mainly due to not having any content. During this pandemic, being a travel blogger, it's a lot harder to get content out when you're not traveling. So at the minute, there's been a bit of a surge in cases here in Ireland, and I'm kind of staying put for the next while until cases go back down, which they are, thankfully, and hopefully get it back out on the road soon enough. So again, with this pandemic going, for a lot of people, international travel is pretty much out of the question for this year. But I found a way to get a little bit of a taste of the world without actually leaving your home. So I signed up for a monthly subscription to Snack Crate. So the idea of Snack Crate is that they send you a box every month with snacks from all over the world, and each month is a different country. And the fun part is that you never know what country you're going to get until the day it arrives. So it's really exciting, it's fun, and it's something different. So my last video was actually another Snack Crate video, and that was my very first box where I got snacks from Canada, and I was really excited about that. So if you want to watch that video, I'll leave a link up in the top there as well. So just like last time, I have not opened the box, I have no idea what's in it, and I'm just really excited. Before I open the box there, type in the comments what country you think this is going to be. Alright, let's see what's inside. Here we go. I'm going to take this away and... No way! I was only saying I'd love to get snacks from this country. So this month I got Russia. This is so cool. I've never been to Russia before, so this is really exciting. All these stuff I probably have never heard of before, and I'll definitely try some of the snacks there as well. I also forgot to mention in the last video, they also give you this little pamphlet all about the country, little fun facts, and I think this is a really nice touch to kind of get to know it. See what's inside. Okay, I'm not even going to attempt to try and pronounce any of these, so I'm going to just follow the little leaflet that they give you telling all about them. What's this one? I don't even know how to read this. Oh, it's not on the oh no, it's not on the pamphlet. Okay. Anyone watching from Russia or knows Russian, do you know how this is pronounced? Because I haven't got a clue. It looks like some kind of strawberry hard sweets, I think. How do you even pronounce this? Bombakstep, I think. It's not on the leaflet, so I don't even know exactly what it is. Oh, cool. Oh, so I just seen there that they actually gave me a little recipe to make Russian spirniki. Spirniki. I am gonna butcher the Russian language. Okay, we got crisps, and I think there's something like cheesy crisps, I think. There's no English on the back, so no idea what it is. The thinnest crisps often pack the loudest crunch. This snack is dusted in creamy and savory cheese flavor. Nice. We got, I think they're jellies. It's some kind of jellies. These are cute. And we've got, this is some kind of cake. Some kind of cake. It's like the little Barney snacks. Something like that. Is this on the leaflet? Sweet and spongy shortcake with decadent banana cream filling in the shape of a fun animal. That would be interesting because I like bananas as a fruit just on their own, but banana flavored, not nice. And we got, I think it's something like rye bread. It's like some kind of tomato. Oh, rye bread? What's crispy, crunchy, and doused in flavor. These rusks are coated in rich tomato and herb dusting. That sounds really nice. Last but not least in the box, I'm not going to pronounce that, but it's one of these little biscuits, I think. I've seen a lot of people talking about these, saying they're so nice. 2 soft and chewy waffle cookies sandwiched around a thick layer of caramel. Ooh. Oh, that sounds good. I just found this little card there. We have something to tell you. An item was unavailable at the time of packing your snack crate. Good news, we included a special snack to make up for the missing item. Ah, that makes sense. So the reason that this is on it and there's no description about it is because there was an item that was unavailable, so they put in this instead of just leaving it blank. That's really thoughtful. I like that. What should I even try first? I'll try the crisps first, like cheesy crisps. See what they're like. Ooh, they smell very cheesy. Oh, there's a kick after it. They're very nice, actually. It's like It tastes exactly like cheese and onion, but without the onion. Weird. Okay. I'm gonna brave the banana thing because why not? I might like it. I have no high hopes for it though. Ah, it's an elephant. That's, oh my god, they've even printed the tail on the back. I don't know if you can see it, but they printed his tail. That is so cute. Oh, no. Oh, that, no. Oh, that's awful. Oh, that's awful. It's like, it's not even cream filling. Like, you just taste the sponge and there's banana in the sponge and, oh, that's rotten. I stand by my statement earlier on. Banana flavored things should not exist. Okay, so we're going to try the tomato rusks. I like how so easily open these are. It's like, oh, they're so cute and small. Oh, cookie. Pretty nice. That's a lot of flavour. You can definitely taste the tomato in it. That is really nice. Okay, next I'm going to try one of these little waffle thingies. Again, I've never had these, but I have seen a lot of people talking about them. Oh, look. Oh, it's sticky. Like sticky caramel. That looks beautiful. Oh my god. Why haven't I had this before? This is so nice. Oh my god. I was missing out not getting this. So last one is the mystery snack that they put in. I have no idea what it is. It feels like kind of hard candies. That's not hard candy. Is that popcorn? Did they put strawberry on popcorn? Huh. Yeah, I don't like that. That's weird. It's like strawberry on popcorn. That's the weirdest thing I've ever tasted. That's all the snacks then, bar the jellies. I don't really like jellies, but I'm going to give it to someone to try. But they look like just your generic standard jellies. Same as the last video, if you want to get your hands on your very own snack crate subscription, then I'll leave the link to the snack crate down below. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much to everyone who has continually supported my channel throughout this pandemic. I see my subscriber numbers fluctuating, but I did hit 180 subscribers. I am absolutely thrilled. Thank you all so much. I am so grateful for you all. And of course, if you do want to follow me on other social medias, I am available on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. So all the links are again down in the description below. So stay safe, wash your hands, and I'll see you for the next video. Alexa, how do you say goodbye in Russian? Brishe. Brishe. Brishe.